Hello friends. Beautiful poppies and a bee on a hand-painted terracotta pot highlight your favorite houseplants with this cute hand-painted pot. The terracotta pot is perfect for making pen stands, houseplants, tabletop pots, makeup cases, flower pots, and more. The terracotta pot is a perfect gift for anyone who grows and loves poppies. This terracotta pot is an ideal decoration for a bedroom, indoor garden, kitchen, study, office, desktop, windowsill, balcony, etc. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.